Here are the instructions on how to use the Codio Web IDE for Meteor and how to install Meteor. The installation on Codio is different from the usual way of installation. So the first thing you do, if you haven't done so, is to create an account on Codio. There are free accounts that have unlimited number of public boxes or public projects. So if you don't mind having public projects, you can use this for free. So after you log in and you've registered, you'll come to a screen that looks a lot like this. So what you want to do first is to create a new project. So over here, you just click on this button, Create Project. You can give your project a name like Meteor Demo. And for the free account, you can just keep it public, which is going to be fine for our educational purposes. You leave this source area here as template, and be sure to choose empty project over where it says choose a template. So I'm going to choose empty project and click the create button. So voila, we have a box or our own virtual private server in the cloud. So we do not want to use the regular instructions that we would ordinarily use for Meteor. Instead, we come up here to the Tools menu, click on that, and choose Install Software. So this takes a little while because there's a lot of software packages from which you can choose, and we're just going to choose the Meteor package. So in the search area, we just type Meteor, and here it is. So we click on this down arrow to install Meteor. So this takes a moment. And this is probably one of the most effective ways to use Meteor if you have a PC. I've tried a number of the other things, and they were problematical in some way. Some were more expensive than I would prefer. Okay, Meteor is running here, or Meteor is available. So what we'll do is we'll click on this back end tab here. And this is a regular tab, just like on a Unix system. And I'm just going to type the usual Meteor commands, like Meteor, create, demo. Okay, we have our Meteor project installed. So let's go cd demo. And then we just type Meteor. So it's actually starting Meteor to run, and we effectively will have our own web server running our Meteor demo application. So this app is running. Now, in order to see this in a web browser, there's this top area here. Right now it says Project Index. There's a down button here, and we can choose Box URL. And what we have here is our project is now running. So you can just click on this Click Me button, and away we go. Now let's go back to our integrated development environment. We see here that there were some files that were installed when we created the project. So let's look at this demo HTML file. We can drag this tab up here if we want. And so let's say welcome to my Meteor. This is the H1 in there. So we change that to welcome to my Meteor. And we come back to our URL and it's been changed for us. So that's basically all we needed to do to install Meteor and run it.